Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Yes, I am here with another video. So recently I posted a poll on my community tab. Most of the people wanted to see the DIY fridge magnets. That's why I am here with a super cute DIY fridge magnets video. Please stay tuned and watch the full video. Here I am going to use this Fevikwik molded clay. Take 1 pack of each and mix it well. Molded clay are easily get dry into the air. That's why take small portion and mix it well. Just how I am doing here. It's basically a sticky kind of clay. That's why you need to spread some powder. Here I am used my old expired compact powder because I recently ran out my powder. For the first one, I have decided to make a bread with a cute omelette. I think clay projects are most satisfying thing. Slow and steady with the process and you will get the exactly what you want. I don't have so many clay tools. I only used my fingertips and a scale. For making the rough surface of the bread, I use an old toothbrush. Make sure to attach each and every element with the help of the glue properly. For the second one, I have decided to make a cute mushroom. I just simply gave a mushroom like shape like I am doing here. For making DIY project, you don't need so many instruments. Keep searching for something which is the replacement of those tools. And that's how the DIY project going to be super budget friendly. For the third one, I have decided to make a cloud. For that, I spread the clay and cut it with the cutter. After completely cutting, smoothen out the outer sides. For the fourth one, I have made a simple cute heart. Following the same process, I also make it. For the fifth one, I am going to make a cupcake. Cupcakes are super cute and aesthetic. That's why I have decided to make it. I just simply cut the desired portion with the help of the cutter. Then shape it properly. And start adding lots of elements which will highlighting our cupcake more. For the sixth one, I have decided to make a tulip bucket. For making it, just simply follow my video how I am doing here. I think I choose the toughest one. Whatever I made, this is the toughest one. It comes with lots of elements. That's why you need to attach it properly with the help of the glue. For the seventh one, I have decided to make a popsicle. That's why I make 3 equal portions of round shaped ball and smooth it and attach it with the glue. At the end, I insert a stick. For the 8th one, I have decided to make a mandu. I think mandu is the cutest food ever. Just spread it out and simply shape it. Let them completely dry. Then take deco page paper and smoothen out the outer surface of the clay. Gently rub it. Then start with the coloring process. There is no particular tips and tricks for the coloring process. The only thing you need to do, after applying one color, wait for a few minutes, then apply another color. Otherwise it will get messed up. For this project I have decided to use these pastel shades. For making the blush, I use this eyeshadow palette. Rub it gently. For the cupcake, make sure to paint the all elements properly. Recently I posted a fridge magnets video. I made those magnets with the cold porcelain clay which I made. I will mention the link on the I button. Please go and check it out. Here I am using the 3D cone liner for making it more highlight. For the mushroom, I simply color it and make some dots on the upper portion of the mushroom. I am going to draw the boho art on this heart. Make sure to color the bucket properly because it's have lots of elements. For highlighting the ribbon, I use the gold metallic color. For the braid, I don't need to apply any color. Because I use the compact powder, that's why the color is automatically done. I just paint the omelette and the side portion of the braid. Let them completely dry. After that, apply one coat of varnish on the each bridge magnets. After drying, attach the magnets with the help of the strongest glue. And that's it. Here's the final outcome. If you guys like it, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you guys like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos.